Hello diecasters. Welcome to Little Cars 64 channel. Today, let's see Matchbox Datsun 280ZX from Matchbox Japan series. The base and tires are plastic. It has opening doors features, although it is a bit tight to open it. Not let's see it on turntable. It has tail light details, but no headlight details. The details scheme is same with the premium version from Superfast series. The main body color is similar to the Datsun ZX police car with the difference only at the roof color. This diecast is a bit heavy for basic series. If you look closely, you can see Z logo on the hood. You can paint the headlights with silver paint color for detailing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.